We are starting with the properties of rational numbers, and the property in this video is the property of commutativity for rational numbers and of course other numbers. Let us start. So friends, here goes the first property of rational numbers, and the name of the property is commutativity. The property of those two numbers which give the same mathematical result in any order. For example, if the two numbers are 2 and 3 and I add 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. The same numbers, instead of 2 plus 3, if I add them as 3 plus 2, that is also equal to 5. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2, that is A plus B is equal to B plus A. This is the property of commutativity. Now let us see the property of commutativity for different types of numbers, out of which the first type is whole numbers. As you can see here, there are 3 columns: mathematical operation, second is whole numbers, and third is remarks. So let us take the first mathematical operation, that is addition, and let the whole numbers be 0 and 8. So how much is 0 plus 8 equal to? 8. And how much is 8 plus 0 equal to? Again 8. It means 0 plus 8 is equal to 8 plus 0. That is 8 is equal to 8. Now friends, doesn't that mean A plus B is equal to B plus A? Yes. Therefore, see the remark column. Addition is a commutative property for whole numbers. The second mathematical operation, subtraction, and let the whole numbers again be 0 and 8. How do you do the subtraction? It is 0 minus 8. And what is that equal to? Minus 8. Now, let us take 8 minus 0. And 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. First it was minus 8, now it is 8. So 0 minus 8 is not equal to 8 minus 0. That is A minus B is not equal to B minus A. So what is the remark or conclusion? Subtraction is not commutative for whole numbers. We go to the third mathematical operation, that is multiplication. Let the whole numbers now be again 0 and 8. So multiplication, 0 into 8 is equal to 0 and 8 into 0 is also equal to 0. So 0 into 8 is same as or equal to 8 into 0, as 0 is equal to 0. That is A into B is equal to B into A, that is satisfied. So multiplication is a commutative property for whole numbers. And the last mathematical operation for whole numbers, that is division. Once again, let the whole numbers be 0 and 8. So 0 divided by 8 is equal to 0, and 8 divided by 0, oh, it is not defined, as 0 is not equal to not defined. What does that indicate? A divided by B is not equal to B divided by A. So you understood the remark? Division is not commutative for whole numbers. So dear students, how was this video? I am very sure that you have understood a lot from it, and if not, just visit it, revisit it, watch it, rewatch it. Thank you so much. See you.